new chains for my baby caddy. Shocking up. Shit, that's okay.
Okay. Looks like a little 8 to me. Really? Was that too big? Or what the hell? Boy, that's a little bitch.
Wow. A lot of screws in there. There's no leaks so far. Good.
No leaks, Mama. See, remember I told you I had a little trap door to pull your filter down?
Yeah.
Makes it a lot easier.
Oh, yeah.
See your filter right here? You see it? Yeah?
Yeah, I see it. Oh, yeah. Filter.
Okay, where's your bucket? I got a rag right there. Thank you, Mommy. Ooh.
Oh, it's dripping already. Oh my God! It's on the side, the kitchen.
What do you mean?
The pan.
What do you mean? It's okay, huh? What's it touching?
It's touching on the frame or whatever you call it, the pan.
This is? Oh,
Yeah.
that's okay.
Why is?
That's the oil pan. See it right there, that screw?
Why is leaking on the other side?
I don't know.
See? I think you need to remove the whole
This
pan.
is just the filters making it leak.
Oh. I see. Oh, you forgot to wear your gloves.
That's okay. Oh, look at this. It's coming out, that screw.
Yeah, it's from just. I had to remove that big cover. No?
Alright, here we go.
Oh, shit. We grabbed the wrong one. Damn it. I told you.
What do you mean the wrong one? Is it?
It's a skinny again. We grabbed. Oh, my God.
Let me see that hole. Open the box. Let's look at it. I want to see that hole.
Right.
Move that just a little bit, Mom. Thank you.
Very tired. There's a lot of black oil. Black. What is black oil?
Black is ace of spades, Mom.
Black is black.
Black is black.
I want my baby black.
She wants her black baby back. Oh, no. I want my baby back ribs.
What's missing?
Rag. That one. Oh, shit. Thank you, madam. Thank you, madam.
That's the easy. It's screwed up. You need to
I
tighten
gotta
it?
get my hand in there. They get really tight.
Oh, it's tight.
Alright, got it pretty tight. I gotta get my hand in here with a rag on it. You gotta get it good and tight. But by hand.
Wow.
Ah.
Look. 6 months? Oh, 6 months almost. Change the oil. So black. Like. Yum! Yum, man!
You could probably do this now, couldn't you?
Jacket. Look at this belly. Oh. Big belly cutty.
Whoa. Damn.
That's hard one.
6 squirts for sure, Mom? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what to say, but I'll check it again. Yeah.
It takes 6 squirts, Mom?
Yeah.
Okay.
I thought that was the last time was 8. I'll check it back. Pour it, baby, pour.
We wanna rock with you all night.
Look at that.
Dance
all
you
clear.
into
Clean
the
oil.
sunlight. And when you're dances, get me a rag, please.
All better button for.
There's a fucking button somewhere. I'm not gonna hit the little car, am I?
No, you're fine. You're fine. Good. You can leave it outside. We're leaving, are we? We'll go something to eat.